to fulfill each other's needs, creating a bond so simple yet so strong. Once again, everyone, Angel and Marvel for our cake cutting ceremony. Once again, for this ceremony, the husband and wife will put their hands together to slice the cake. So, kung si husband po at saka si wife ay sabay po magsaslice ng cake. The two hands will move together as one with one purpose, symbolizes that the two will work in unity to reach their common goals for their shared future and their life together as one. Also, no, the sharing of food, no, then eating the food together symbolizes. Okay, so everyone, Angel and Marvel for the cake cutting ceremony. Once again, them sharing food symbolizes their willingness to fulfill each other's needs. So I hope this will serve as symbolism for you. Wow.